Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add admin to an Instagram account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Instagram. You have to make sure that you do have a creators or a business account. If you have a personal account, you cannot add admin on your personal account. Once I have switched, if you don't know how to, we have already uploaded a video regarding it. Make sure to check it out. Then now, once you have opened your app, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner, three horizontal line on top right corner later on, and then from this section you're going to search in people. Once you have search in the people option, you're going to tap on the people option. From there you will be able to go to the section of add person. When you go to the add person, you will tap on invite users. Then once you have done that, you're going to add in the user's email address or the username what you remember. Then you're going to choose a role, and the role would be admin. Once you've chosen the admin role, you're going to simply choose the level of access they will have as well, basic, partial, or full, whatever you prefer. Then you're going to send them an invitation and confirm it. Once they have confirmed and accepted the invitation, they will be your admin and you're good to go. That's basically how you do. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.